To drink water from the soil, plants have a natural straw, their roots, which have tiny root hair to take in water. Let's see a magnified version of the root hair. The outermost cell of the root is called the epidermis. Root cell contains a cell wall, a cell membrane, a vacuole, a nucleus, and the straw type root hair. Each cell is connected to the other cell via a gate. This gate is known as the plasmodesmata. In the vacuolar pathway, the water molecules travel from one cell to the other. It moves from the epidermis to the cortex, towards the endodermis, then the pericycle and the xylem, and finally reaches the stem and leaves of the plant. Although it may seem to be a straight route, the water molecules face high resistance during this transport. Thus, this pathway is hardly used. Another way of transport is through the symplast pathway, wherein the water molecules moves by osmosis using the plasmodesmata door and the cytoplasm of the cell for movement from one cell to the other, and it finally reaches the xylem and travels to the stem and leaves. In the apoplast pathway, the water molecules move through the cell wall and crosses the epidermis and the cortex. However, it cannot cross the endodermis due to the Casparian strip, which is impermeable to water. This is due to the presence of a waxy water impermeable molecule, which is suberin. This helps in the development of root pressure. Since the apoplast pathway cannot continue further due to the Casparian strips, the water molecules are pushed into the cytoplasm and they continue their movement using the symplast pathway to reach the stem and leaves of the plant.